In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an trade paper trading account. This tool is perfect for anyone wanting to practice trading without the risk of losing real money. Trade provides this feature through their Power Trade platform, allowing you to simulate trades in a risk-free environment. First, you'll need to open an trade account. If you don't already have one, head over to the Trade website. Look for the option that says Open an Account. Click on it and follow the steps to complete the application. During this process, you'll create your own login credentials. Having an account is essential as it gives you access to the Power Trade platform and its paper trading capabilities. This step is important because it lays the foundation for all your future trading activities. Now that your account is set up, the next step is to log in. Go to etrade.com and enter your newly created login details. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Trading or Platform section. From there, find Power Trade. This will be your gateway to accessing the paper trading feature. Remember, this step is crucial because it ensures you are in the right place to start your trading practice. Once you're in Power Trade, it's time to launch paper trading. Keep an eye out for terms like paper trading, simulated trading, or paper trade. Typically, users find this option under the Launchpad section of the dashboard. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will be your main hub for practice. With paper trading launched, you'll receive virtual funds, often around $100,000. These funds allow you to practice trading various financial instruments. You can try your hand at stocks, ETFs, options, and even advanced order types. This is where the real learning happens, as you can experiment with different strategies without any financial risk. It's important to note that paper trading is a simulation. It might not behave exactly like live trading. This means that while it's an excellent tool for learning, the experience might differ from actual market conditions. Also, keep in mind that customer support for paper trading accounts may be limited. This is a common aspect of many trading platforms, so it's good to be aware. Some users have reported that the paper trading feature is more accessible through Power Trade compared to the regular Trade interface. This insight can save you time and make your experience smoother. Knowing where to find the right tools quickly can be a game changer when practicing trading. In conclusion, eTrade's paper trading feature is a valuable resource for anyone looking to hone their trading skills. By following these steps, you'll be able to practice in a safe, simulated environment, preparing you for real-world trading. Remember, the key to success in trading is practice, patience, and continuous learning. Happy trading!